myself from you, yeah.
I know I'll live.